For anyone who cares about their relationship with their dog, the question of whether they miss us might have come to mind. At AnimalWised, we found out if dogs miss their owners in this new video. Do dogs miss us when left alone? There are many dogs which experience separation anxiety when left alone. This emotional state is characterised by howling, crying, destructiveness, and even inappropriate bowel evacuation. It's a difficult problem which needs careful management, usually with the help of a professional dog trainer or canine ethologist. Learn more about separation anxiety and what can be done about it in the video above. Outside of this disorder, although they internalise their routines, dogs don't count time the way we do. In other words, the dog feels it's time to eat or go for a walk, but they will adapt to the situation if there is a delay in any of these things happening. Dogs live in the moment. They have the ability to learn to live with what they have every day. This is not incompatible with being greeted ecstatically every time we return home. We are not only their most important reference, but we represent the best aspects of their life, namely affection, walking, food, and of course, the fundamental company we provide to an animal as social as the dog. What does it feel like when we leave them in a kennel? When we're going to be absent for an extended period of time, we will sometimes need to take them to a specialised boarding kennel where our dog can be cared for by professionals. These boarding kennels have the benefit of our dog not only being cared for by people who know what they're doing, but they also have plenty of opportunity to interact with other dogs. Some caregivers are reluctant to leave their dog in a residence because they fear they will think of it as abandonment. The truth is that, as when left alone at home, the animal doesn't keep track of time like we do. Although they may at first feel disorientated by the change, if they are well cared for, they will seize the moment. In other words, they won't spend all day thinking about home or their caregiver. Choosing a good residence and even taking the dog in advance to get to know the place and the people before staying a few days will help them to adapt quickly and easily. Do dogs miss their deceased owners? The bond that is established between dog and caregiver is very deep. For us, the death of our dog can be a severe blow, and it's not uncommon for dogs to also go through their own grief. Also, you have to know that they are experts in reading our body language. This means, even if they have not witnessed the death or don't understand it intrinsically, they do perceive the suffering of their family and the pain they are experiencing. Find out more about whether dogs feel our pain in the video we share here. Not only may they be saddened by the death of a caregiver, the loss of a relative or any other animal that has accompanied them throughout their life is reason for the dog to notice their absence. A dog in this situation may lose their appetite, spend more time lying down or sleeping, and ask for more affection and attention than usual. They may also lie down in the missing loved one's favourite place or near their belongings. But dogs are very good at adapting to circumstances. Therefore, if they are in an environment with other people who take care of them and care about their well-being during these hard times, it's common for them to regain their zest for life. A dog will never forget their deceased caregiver, but they can get used to enjoying life without them if they are lucky enough to have a family who takes care of their needs and well-being. Discover other curiosities about the behaviour of dogs in the playlist we share here. Tell us if you have seen a dog missing someone by leaving a comment, and we'll see you next time.